Hello students, we are in chemistry class. 10th chemistry class. First chapter is the basic concept of chemistry. That chapter is revision. Main basic concept of chemistry is molecular mass and atomic mass. Atomic mass and molecular mass. So atomic mass, the atomic mass of an element is the total number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom. It is denoted by A. So, the total number of protons and electrons in the atomic mass. We have capital letter A which is denoted. So, this is molecular mass. Molecular mass, the molecular mass is a molecule of a molecule is the sum of the atomic mass of the all atom present in the molecule. So, this is confusion. Atomic mass is protons and neutrons and molecular mass is the sum of atomic mass in the summing molecular mass. So, this is molecular mass denoted atomic mass denoted key points. Simple key points Key points first one atomic mass is the mass of a single atom, while molecular mass is the mass of a molecule. So, a single atom mass is atomic mass. A single atom mass is atomic mass. Mass of a molecule is molecular mass. Simple atomic mass is expressed in atomic mass. Mass units atomic mass is expressed. That is AMU expressed, while molecular mass is expressed in grams per mole. G by mole express. The third point, the atomic mass of an element is a weighted average of the masses of the naturally occurring isotopes. So, naturally occurring isotope in the average mass is atomic mass. These three key points atomic mass and molecular mass simple formula. Next, we will see formulas. Molecular mass is symbol summation. Summation atomic mass of each atom. Each atom summing molecular mass. Where summation denotes the sum of the atomic masses of the atoms in the molecule. Molecule atoms in the summing molecular mass. So, the example find the molecular mass of water. Water is water elements H, hydrogen, oxygen, 2 times H. Atomic mass of H is 1 AMU. First element 1 AMU unit. So, AMU atomic mass of oxygen O 16 AMU. Molecular mass H2O. That is H2. 2 times H. 2 into 1 plus oxygen 16 18 AMU. Simple elements doubt comment channel support. Thank you.